Good morning, everybody. Today I take your grammar class, and today I take your chapter 9. And what is the subject matter of 9? Sentence. So, first of all, I discuss you what is called sentence. That is, if you do not know what is sentence, you do not make other things. So, what is called sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense by itself. A group of words, that is Ram, boy, name, good is. This is not a sentence, but you have to arrange it properly. Ram is a good boy. Ram word is verb, a good word, boy. So this is a sentence. Okay, and a sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. And that is, rose is a beautiful flower. Rose subject is a beautiful flower, predicate. And now we have to know, that is, what is subject. That is, subject of a sentence is the person or thing that performs the action or which is being spoken about. That is called subject. And what is predicate? The predicate is that part of the sentence that tells us something about the subject. That is, subject is a performer of the action, and predicate is the part of a sentence that tells us about the subject. Okay, that if we say that Ram is a good boy, what is subject? Ram. And so Ram is the, who is a good boy? Ram is the subject, and is a good boy, predicate. That is a good boy it tells about Ram, subject. So it is a predicate. And a sentence generally follows the word order. That is, first of all you put subject, then verb, then object. Okay, that is, the cow gives us milk. That is, cow subject, gives verb, gives us milk, dono object. Okay, that is, this is the sentence. And next we come to know how many kinds of sentence are there. There are 4 types of sentence: declarative, imperative, exclamatory, interrogative. Declarative means statement, and declarative sentence has 2 parts, that is affirmative, negative. That is, Shita is a good girl, and negative, Sita is not a good girl. That is affirmative, negative. And first declarative sentence, we call it statement, assertive, etc., etc. Next, imperative sentence. Imperative means if any sentence denotes command, advice, request, warning, that is called imperative sentence. That is, come here now, that is, it is ordered. And don't run into the sun, in the sun, that is advice. Please give me a glass of water, request. These are called, that is, these are called imperative sentence. That is, the sentence which denotes command, advice, request, warning. So if we say, please give me a glass of water, this is request. Okay, next, exclamatory sentence. If any sentence denotes surprise, happiness, joy, sadness, strong emotions, that is, how big the snake is, what a beautiful flower it is, that is exclaimed, we exclaim, that is called exclamatory sentence. And interrogative sentence, if any sentence asks anything, that is, what is your name, how many people go there, etc., etc. That is, these are sentence. And interrogative sentence, yes, no, there are 2 types, yes, no, and WH question. Yes, no, do you go to the school? Yes, we go to the school, or no, we do not go to the school. And WH question is, what is your name? Which color do you like best? This and this. Okay. So this is the actually the formative of sentence. Form of sentence. Now I give you some definitions. Declarative sentence or assertive sentence. The sentences that declare a fact or a statement are called declarative sentences. They are also called assertive sentences. Declarative sentences are of 2 types: affirmative sentence and negative sentence. That is, Mohit likes to eat vegetables, or Mohit does not like to eat vegetables. That is, One assertive, next negative. Okay. What is called imperative sentences? A sentence that makes a request, gives instructions, a warning, or an advice is called an imperative sentence. Generally, imperative sentences begin with a verb in case of command and with please in case of request. If we request something, that is, we add first of all please go there, please give me a glass of water, please come here. That is request. And come here at once, stand up on the bench, these are command. Okay, that is first of all verb. Third number, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are sentences that ask a questions. There are two types. Questions are of two types. That is yes, no, WH. Yes, no means if you ask anything, its answer is yes or no. That is called yes, no questions. And if we ask anything which WH, what is your name, which class do you read in, etc. and etc. Question tags. Positive sentences have a negative tag. Negative sentences have a positive tag. That is, you are expert in mathematics. That is, if we change it into question tag, that aren't you? The boys are not playing football. Question tag হবে are they? Negative sentence, positive question tags, positive sentence, negative question tags. Okay. Number 4, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences are those that express strong emotions like surprise, anger, excitement, and happiness. Such sentences end with an exclamation mark. That is, what a dirty place it is, question mark. And how fast the man walks. These are the basic discussion of sentence. Now I show you this discussion. Okay. Good. Now I give you some discussion about sentences, and I discuss what is sentence, how many kinds of sentence, and how many parts of sentences, subject and predicate, and absolutely there are some, I give you some examples of each type of sentence. Today I have completed about the preliminary discussions of sentences, and next day I will solve your question answers on this chapter of the chapter 9. Okay, thank you.